Are you having issues with mobile data, texting, or calling on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Resetting your mobile network settings can often fix all of that in one go by restoring the default network configurations. To start, pull up the app drawer, look for the Settings app, and tap on it. Once you're in, scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. From there, scroll down again and tap on Reset. Now, choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. On the next screen, tap Reset Settings at the bottom and then tap Reset again to confirm. The process only takes a few seconds to complete. Once it's done, any issues with mobile data, calls, or texts might already be resolved. But if the problem sticks around, it's a good idea to restart your phone. Just swipe down from the top of the screen twice to open the full Quick Settings panel, tap the power icon, select Restart, and confirm. After the reboot, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will reconnect to mobile services with fresh settings, and your issue should be gone. When it comes to network problems, this reset is often all you need. We hope this guide helps you out. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.